Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This course will introduce Script, which allows Emily to perform complex web automation functions by executing specific JavaScript code on a specific web page. Script is very powerful and is often used for highly complex web page automation functions. All functions that cannot be recorded by using simple web automation can be done by using Script. For example, when you need to judge the information provided on a web page before deciding what to do next, you can use Script to write the code to judge the information on the web page and then decide what to do next. Take this page as an example. I want to click the button on the right of the latest date. I must first determine the text in the button, which is the latest date, and then click it. But in this case, the use of recorded click function, there is no way to find out the latest date and then click, so in this case, we will use the script to complete. Next, I will demonstrate how to use the script. First, open the training mode, go to Google homepage. Next, I want to use the script to enter keywords. Open the script. Then you need to set up the node of the web page you want to manipulate. For our example, I want to manipulate the input box. I can click on the web element in my browser that I want to manipulate. Emily will automatically populate the node path field with the CSS selector of the web component you have selected. Then you can click Debug to open the Debug tool. The Debug tool is the equivalent of a developer tool for your browser. You can view the structure of the page. You can also see what the script code prints to assist in development and debugging. Next, you can click Edit Script to start writing code. Emily will set all the web components that match the CSS selector to the variable nodes according to the previously set node path. Let's take this example. We expect the input box on the web page to be one of the web components in the nodes variable. We can print out the nodes to see if we've set it up correctly. In the script, type console.log here are nodes, and press the Run button. After pressing the Run button, Emily will run the code in the script on the web page. If there is a printout in the code, you can check the printed content in the console page of the debugging tool. After checking that the nodes are set correctly in the printout, you can start to try to operate the web page component. For example, I want to type Emily.RPA in the input box. I can enter the following code into the script. Node 0. Value equals Emily.RPA. And press Run again. Then you can see Emily input the text in the input box. You can use functions from the Lodash and Moment packages. There are also other Emily native functions that can be used to run scripts for specific functions, such as reading and writing text files, re-executing scripts, and so on. They will be introduced in the following video. When you have finished editing the code, click the Save button to save the current code, and leave the editing area of the script. Then you can describe the content of the script in the Script Description field. It is convenient to identify the function of the script in the future. For example, the current script description is Input keyword to search bar. When you are done, click OK. You can see the step of the script and the script description will be displayed. Now we end the training mode and finish the skill development. When you need to re-edit the content of the script, you can click Tweak to re-edit the content of the script. After you click Tweak of the script, Emily will call out the browser window again. You can enter the URL of the web page you want to operate and go to that web page again. And you can re-edit the content of the script. For example, I changed the text Emily.RPA to Emily.RPA online document in the search box. After making the changes, press Save and press OK. Save the changes. Then run the skill again. You can see that Emily has changed the original Emily.RPA to Emily.RPA online document. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.